Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share Canva design as template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any design you've made into a reusable link that others can use as a starting point without changing your original work. This is especially helpful for Shopify store owners who want to reuse branded graphics, product promos, social posts, or internal assets without rebuilding them from scratch each time. Start by opening the project you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the design itself, because the option we need lives inside the editor. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the Share button. This is the main hub for everything related to sending, exporting, or collaborating on your design, so it's where all sharing options begin. Click Share, and a panel will open with a variety of ways to distribute your work. To see all the available options, select See All. This expands the sharing choices beyond the most common ones, which is where the template feature appears. Canva sometimes hides advanced options here, so this step is important. Inside the Share category, look for an option labeled Template Link. Click that. A template link is different from a regular edit link. Instead of giving someone access to your original file, it creates a fresh copy for them to work with. That means your design stays intact, and anyone who opens the link builds their own version from your layout, colors, and elements. This helps protect your original while still allowing flexibility. It's perfect for teams, classrooms, clients, or community groups who need a consistent starting point. For example, you might share a social media template with a VA, a promo graphic with affiliates, or a branded layout with clients. Next, select Create Template Link. Canva will generate a special URL dedicated to that design template. You'll usually see a confirmation that the link was created, and from here, you can use it anywhere you communicate. This link tells Canva to spin up a new design for the viewer so they can customize it freely without touching yours. Now it's time to share. Paste the template link into an email, a chat message, a project management tool, or a document. If you're distributing it widely, you can add a short note explaining that it's a template link, so recipients know they're getting their own editable copy and don't worry about overwriting anything. When someone opens it, they'll be guided into Canva with your design ready to tailor. They can swap images, edit text, adjust colors, and export their version while your original remains unchanged. This makes collaboration smoother and reduces back and forth edits. That's all there is to it. Open your project, use the Share button, choose See All, select Tight Template Link, create the link, and share it. It's a quick, reliable way to standardize designs across a team or share polished starting points with anyone who needs them, especially when you're managing multiple visuals for a Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating templates that make your workflow faster and more consistent.